Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Wrike intake requests for standardized project intake easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your Wrike account and navigate to the dashboard. Identify the project or folder where you want to update the intake requests. Click on the intake request form that you wish to modify. Review the current fields and data collection options available in the form. Decide which fields need to be updated for your standardized project intake. To edit a field, hover over it and click the pencil icon that appears. Make the necessary changes, such as updating instructions or changing field types. If you need to add a new field, locate the Add Field option within the form. Choose the field type you want to add, such as text, drop-down, or checkbox. Fill in the required details for the new field, including the name and any options. Ensure that any mandatory fields are clearly marked for the end user. After making your changes, review the entire intake form for consistency. Once satisfied with the updates, click the Save button to apply your changes. Test the updated intake request by submitting a new request using the form. Verify that the updates work as intended and collect the needed information. Communicate any changes to your team to ensure everyone is informed. By following these steps, you can effectively update your Wrike intake requests for standardized project intake. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.